Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on greatest common factor or greatest common divisor. So sa previous videos, pinag-aralan natin kung paano ba kunin yung GCD or the greatest common divisor or GCF if you want, no? Of two or more numbers using listing. No? Nag-list tayo ng numbers and using the ladder method. So kung hindi nyo pa napapanood, balikan yung mga previous videos natin. So ngayon, we will have another method. Ang tawag natin ay yung prime factorization. So getting the GCD of two numbers by prime factorization. So ano nga ulit yung prime? Ibig sabihin ng prime, a prime number. Prime number. Prime number means a number. No? It is a number. A positive integer that is only divisible by 1 and itself. No? So, bago natin malaman ibig sabihin ng prime factorization, dapat alam muna natin ibig sabihin ng prime number. So, positive integer siya with only two divisors, 1 and itself. So, examples niyan ay 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, what else? 13, 17, 19, ano pa ba? 23, sana wala akong ma-miss, no? 29, 31, 37, and so on. So, there are infinitely many primes. Madami yan. Walang katapusan yan. Ang ibig sabihin ng 1 and itself, no? For example, sa 7, ano bang pwede mo i-divide sa 7? 1 lang, tsaka 7, wala nang iba, no? Bakit hindi prime number ang 9? Kasi, more than 2 ang kanyang divisors. Again, pag prime numbers, dalawa na yung divisor niya, 1. By 1, ito, hindi to and. By 1 and itself. No? So, pag 7, ano ba pwede natin i-divide sa 7 na walang remainder? 1 lang, no? Tsaka yung itself. Bakit hindi prime number ang 9? Kasi 9 is divisible by 1, 3, and 9. So, other than 1 and itself, meron siyang ibang divisor. So, hindi siya prime number. Okay? So, ano kailangan ng prime number sa prime factorization? Ang prime factorization, we show that a number is a product of prime numbers. So lahat ng whole numbers, they can be expressed as product of prime numbers. Napaka-importanting theorem niyan pag nag-aaral na kayo ng higher math, yung tinatawag na fundamental theorem of arithmetic. No? So anyway, hindi naman natin kailangang pag-aaralan yan dito, but we will discuss that in the near future. So paano natin i-express yung isang number? O paano natin kukunin yung GCD ng dalawang numbers by prime factorization. So for example, 24 and 36. So find the GCD of 24 and 36. Gamitin natin prime factorization kasi nagamit na natin yung listing, di ba? Tsaka ladder method. So paano yun? Ipa-factor muna natin to. Ipa-prime factor. So 24, i-divide natin siya sa mga prime numbers. Ano kaya sa tingin nyo? Yung pinakamababa, start tayo sa pinakamababa. 2, no? So, ang 24 divided by 2 is 12. Pwede pa ba? May prime number pa ba na pwedeng i-divide? Yes. 2. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Pwede pa ba? Pwede ulit divide by 2. And then 3. Pag puro na prime numbers, tigil na, no? So, ibig sabihin, 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Kaya sinatawag na prime factorization kasi you're expressing the number as product of primes. Ito mga factors siya, di ba? Ito yung product, ito yung factors. Okay? What about 36? So, pag 36, we have pwedeng 2, we have 18. Ang divisors natin, puro prime numbers lang. Ito pwede mag-divide na iba. We have 2, we have 9, we have 3, we have 3. So 36 is 2 times 2 times times 3 times 3. So, ano yung greatest common divisor pag nakuha na natin? Siyempre, kunin natin yung common. Common yung 2. Common yung 2. Tsaka common yung isang 3. Ito, hindi naman sila common kasi 2 yung isa, 3 yung isa. So, the GCD is actually the product. The GCD is the product of the common factors. So, 2 times 2 times 3, which is equal to 12. Okay, so the GCD of 36 and 24 is equal to 12. So the GCD of 24 and 36 is equal to 12. So paano isa-summarize yun? Kunin mo yung number, tapos kunin mo yung prime factorization by continually dividing, no? By prime numbers. Pag nakita mo na puro prime na, saka mo i-multiply, no? Mas maganda kung in increasing order, no? Later makikita niyo yan bakit mas maganda na i-arrange siya na nakaganito, na naka-increase. Mas madali niyo makita yung common, no? Okay, so and then after that, titignan yung mga common factors and then you multiply all the common factors to get the greatest common factor or the GCD. Siguro GCF na yung tawag natin dito kasi factor. Mas maganda tayong GCF. Diba sabi ko sa inyo sa previous video, pareho lang naman ibig sabihin nun. If a number is a factor, then it is also a divisor. Okay, siguro we'll have one more example. Medyo mahaba tong video natin, so puputulin natin siguro sa another example. Or maybe we finished 2 more examples. Bilisan lang natin. No? So, bali, pangalawa, find the GCD of 12 and 16. So, 12, pwede nating i-divide by 2. That's 6 divided by 2, that's 3. So, 12 is equal to 2 times 3. What about 16? So, 2, this is 8, this is 2, this is 4, this is 2, this is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So this is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. This is 16. So anong common? So 2 times 2 is the common. So meaning GCF is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. So by the way, you can use other methods na pag-aralan natin. Pwede kayo mag-list, pwede kayo mag-ladder method. No? And to double check if it is indeed equal to 4. Equal to 4 naman yan. Okay, last number. Last example. Tatlo na dito. Tatlong numbers. Ano naman? GCF. Pagyan natin. GCF of 18, 30, and 54. 18, 30, and 54. So 18, we have 2, we have 9, we have 3, we have 3. Okay, so 18 is equal to 2 times 3 times 2. What about 30? So 30 divided by 2 is 15, divided by 3 is 5. So 30 is 2 times 3 times 5. Walay siguro natin yung 5 para kung may 3 later dito, pwede natin i-accommodate. The next one is 54. So, ano kaya ang 54? So, 54 divided by 2 is 27, divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 3. So, ilan yan? 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. So, dapat common din siya dun sa tatlo, kagaya nitong 2. No? Tapos 3, common sa tatlo. Pwede ba to? No? Hindi pwede kasi walang 3 dito. Wala siyang kasamang 3 sa gitna. So, dapat lahat merong 3 to get the common. Ito, although may 3 siya dito, pero pareho siyang nasa 54. Wala siyang 3 dito. So, meaning the GCD, or the GCF of 18, 30, and 54 is 2 times 3, di ba? Which is equal to 6. Okay, so yan, medyo mas madali na ngayon. Marami na kayong pagpipilian, meron na kayong listing, meron na kayong ladder method, tsaka meron na kayong prime factorization. Okay, so yan lang muna sa ngayon yung ating tutorial. Gusto ko yung invite sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/ziplineph, our Facebook page at facebook.com/ziplineph, and our website, zipline.com. See you in the next tutorial.